we see him breaking at the car, I stand up right and I watch good and then me leave. Miss, they can't watch all those cars. There's a lot of cars, honestly. On the street, there's a lot of cars. If now, I hope that post with the happy now may use me hand. Roy, which bleaching cream I use? I make my own cream, darling. And this is not, you see the difference? You see, me not clothes not black, me not black no clothes. This is tattoo, honey. This is tattoo. These are tattoos right there. Me not have black no clothes. You see that? Me no clothes black to you? Look at me no clothes. You see me no clothes black? No, sir. I tattoo this. That's why most of the time you see me keep this hand out, because that's the worst thing I ever did. Was to tattoo my hand and make me look like a bleach. Not true? It not look bad. Sure. No black no clothes, this is not tattoo. Look at the heart. You see heart? It's not black no clothes. A lot of people probably think it was black no clothes. It's not. It's not at all. I want to remove the knuckles one so bad. I don't know why did I do that. I'm so upset. Sometimes when people see my knuckles, they think say I black my knuckles black, but it's not. Look at the difference. You see it? You don't see it, right? Yeah, it look like a bleach, like a black knuckles. That's why sometimes I hide it because me embarrassed. Me not like it. And it's not black knuckles. All upon me tattoo, look. It's not black knuckles, sure. And you can see the difference because you can see that my knuckles here, although there's nothing wrong with being black. Kim, I don't bleach. Listen, Kim. The only reason why I bleach I use cream on my skin is because of my tattoos. So my tattoos can show up lighter. My face, I don't use a strong cream on my face. A lot of people think so. The reason why my face, and listen carefully, and I want you guys to listen carefully. The reason why my face is very easy to be toned, because I peel my skin. I do microdermabrasion, so I'm always taking away the dead skin from my face. So whatever I use, right now, if I'm supposed to use a strong bleaching cream on my face, you'll see, I will get white in like 3 days. But because I peel my skin, I do chemical peel, I do facials, I do hydrofacial, and I do regular facials. So what it does, it takes away your dead skin. So all if you use cocoa butter cream, it's gonna work perfect on your skin because you take away the dead skin, and the new skin now is so easy to maintain. Does that make sense? I exfoliate all the time. Well, I exfoliate at my house like once a week, because when you do skin peeling, all that is exfoliation. When you do microdermabrasion, all that is exfoliation. When you do hydrofacial, all that is exfoliation. So I do that a lot. Siri, what's she name again? What's she name? Oh my goodness, I forgot her name. That's Siri. Alexa, it's not you.
Here's a station based on its use.
Alexa, stop. Jesus Christ. Alexa, turn off. Alexa, too early for late to make nice at people. Alexa, turn off. People are sleeping. What's wrong with you? Yeah, idiot? Anyways, like I was saying, that's why my skin is so easy. Like, if I'm supposed to bleach my skin, like I tried it. I tried to put up, and if you saw me look like a mask in 3 days, it's not. So for you guys out there, let me tell you something. Any bleachers out there, if you're from Canada or whatever, I think if you're in a foreign and you're a bleacher, if you want to look white, you really want to bleach your skin and it work. And if I'm at Canada, well, I don't know if they have those things in Jamaica. They should have them. Do chemical peel. Do microdermabrasion. Hydrofacials. Trust me. When you do those things, your bleaching cream is gonna work perfect. Your bleaching cream will work perfect. Do it and you'll see. Because what happens is that you're taking away the dead skin. And once you take away the dead skin and bleach, you see how wrong, you see how you go look. You're a bleacher, do that. What country you in? Those are they are expensive, but shit, you gotta take care of yourself. That's why some people when they bleach, and listen, bleachers, when you're bleaching, if you see you start to get 1 or 2 spots and your face get white, stop bleach, stop use it. I see a lot of people that because their face getting white but they're getting spots, they use the cream. Don't damage your skin like that. Don't do it. If you're using something, you're in Toronto, do those things what I said and bleach your skin and you see how the bleach works and you see how fast the bleach work. If you're bleaching and you see a spot come out on your face, stop using that cream. Not because your face is white. White face and spotty face not look good. It doesn't look good. Microdermabrasion, yeah. So I do microdermabrasion every 3 weeks. No, every five weeks. So once every 5 weeks, right? I do microdermabrasion. I do regular facial once every 5 weeks. The regular facial where she takes out the pimples. You guys realize you don't see no pimples in my skin, right? Because I do that a lot. And the hydrofacial is another thing. It's very, very nice. So basically, the lady that does my regular skin, my regular facial, she do a light peel on my face. You know, she do a light peel on my face. So the cream that I use, my cream that I make for my skin, I only use it 1 time a day, once a day. I cannot use it twice because if I use it twice, I'll get really, 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 really white and it's not good. I only use it once. Sometimes I don't use it even. I use it every other day. And on a normal day, when I'm not using it, I use a regular cream because my skin is so easy to be toned up because I peel it a lot. So do that. You will see the difference. You don't have to use. You do the difference. I mean, I read the comments yet. Hold on. Caro white or caro tone? White, caro white. I use caro white on my body, not the tone. I don't like the caro tone. Use the caro white and the caro white oil also. The oil is great. The oil is good. Mix the oil with the cream. But I don't put that on my face though. That's only for my body. Can't put that on my face. You want me to look like a Michael Jackson? You're crazy. Happy feet. How are you, baby girl?